Hello everyone, myself Ajay Kumar, faculty member at Education World, Gurdaspur. So please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Education World EW. So as you know that for 10th ICSE first semester will be objective type. So we have started for that one series. So first part we have done GST. Now the second is for banking. So let us discuss banking questions. So, like here, Manish opened a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposit rupees 600 for 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account. Now, it means maturity value. So, we will calculate maturity value. How? P. So, how much P is there? 600 for 20 months. 600 for 20 months. Plus again P. So, time is 20, 20 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. And rate of interest they have given us how much? They have given 10%. So it is 10%. So we'll just do the cutting. So it will be 12,000 plus this one 6 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and 10. And this will be 1 and 5. So it is 50 into 21. So it will be 1, 2, 3 zeros plus 0, 5, 1, 0. So when we will add, it will be 0, 5, 0, 3, 1, 0. So we'll choose the option. So it is 13,050. Our second option is correct. You can see here, second option. So second option. So second option is correct. This one. Okay. So moving now maturity value. First type question we had on maturity value. Now we'll do for this one. We'll do this one. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposit rupees how much? 2500 per month for 2 years. If he gets 66,250 at the time of maturity, find the interest paid by the bank. So first of all we'll see how much he has already paid. So this is our question number 15. I am taking randomly. So how much he has paid? He has paid for this one, total money paid by him, total money paid by him, how much? He is paying 2500 for 2 years. In 2 years, how many months will be there? It will be 24. So we will get 60,000. So this much money he has already paid. At the time of maturity, how much he is getting? He is getting 66,250. So interest 66,250 minus 60,000. So it will be 6,250 as an interest. Now we'll see the option 6,000. See here our D option is correct. 6,250. So this is another type. Now see the 16th question. The maturity value of recurring deposit account is 11,364 in 4 years. If the maturity deposit is rupees how much? 200. Find the rate of interest. Now we have to find the rate of interest. Maturity value is given, time is given, and P is given. We have to find the rate. So let us find. This is our question number 16. So question number 16 will do. So maturity value they have given us, it is 11,364 and monthly installment they have given 200. Time they have given how much? 4 years. So 4 years time is 12 forza 48 months plus again same thing 200 time 48 into 48 plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 and R by 100. Rate we have to find. So just finding the rate. So it is 4. So it is 11364. So it is 9600 is equal to plus 4 into 49 R. So 11,364 minus 1960. So it will give us 196 R. So when we will subtract, what we will get? 1764 divided by 96 R. So it will go on 9. So R is 9%. So just check R is which option? It is again D option. Then for this one we have to find the time. So what is given? Monica had a RD account in a Union Bank of India and deposit rupees how much? 600 per month. If the maturity value, again maturity value is given and rate of interest is 10%, find the time taken in years. You have to find the time taken in years. So this is our question number 17. Let us do. So what they have given us? Interest first of all, I will calculate I. P they have given us how much? 600. Time we have to calculate by 2 into 12. And rate they have given us how much? 10%. So 10% rate they have already given. So it is 3, again it is 4, 2 and 5. So I will be 5 and n plus 1 by 2. Now maturity value they have given. Maturity value is how much? 24,930. So it is equal to P into time plus interest. So interest is 5 n plus 1 divided by 2. So let us do. So it will be 24930. Here we will take LCM 2. So it will be 1200 n plus 5n square plus 5n. So cross multiply, it is 0, 6, 8, 4, 9. So it will be 1200, 5n, 1200, 5n plus 5n square. So now we divide with 5. So what we will get? It is 9, 9, 7, 2. And this will be 2, 4, 1, n plus n square. So what will be our quadratic? Our quadratic will be n square plus 241n minus 9972. Now we have to do the factors. So it will be 277n minus 36n minus 9972 is equal to 0. So n plus 227 minus 36 n plus 2 7. So n minus 36. So it is n plus 277 and 0. So either n minus 36 is equal to 0 or n plus 277 equals to 0. So n is equal to 36 or n is equal to minus 227. Rejected. Why? Because time is never in negative. So n is equal to 36 months or n is equal to 36 by 12, it is equal to 3 years. So let us see what is our option. It is how much? 36 months. So C is our correct option. So like that you can solve. We'll put the answer key along with that one. If you are having still any doubt, you can comment to our YouTube channel Education World EW. Thank you for this one.